Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Apple 2024 Mac Mini desktop computer with M4 chip. Review high standards. Inches Apple Mac Mini M2 Pro. Inches a world saturated with clunky towers, roaring fans, and chaotic desktop footprints. True mechanical elegance speaks inches hushed tones. When you encounter engineering that reaches the apex of its form, it possesses a distinct acoustic fingerprint, or rather, the profound absence of one. Check the video description for the updated price link. The Apple 2024 Mac Mini desktop computer with M4 chip is a masterclass inches this philosophy. Featuring a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 24 GB of unified memory, and 512 GB of ultra-fast SSD storage, this tiny metal monolith redefines how high-performance desktop machinery operates. It brings to mind precision gears, frictionless bearings, and the smooth, hum-free engagement of a Swiss chronometer. If you are seeking a machine that executes complex workloads with absolute mechanical serenity, you have found your apparatus. For years, desktop power meant acoustic sacrifice. Heavy rendering tasks, complex code compilation, and multi-stream video editing typically triggered a chorus of turbine-like cooling fans. The 2024 Mac Mini with the M4 architecture completely rewrites this acoustic and thermodynamic contract. It is dense, compact, and heavy with intent, yet remarkably cool to the touch. As you explore your workspace setup, you might also find inspiration. Inches our related product guide for optimizing your precision viewing and gear management tools. It feels solid, milled from a single block of aluminum, echoing the structural integrity of industrial-grade instrumentation. Apple has drastically shrunk the footprint compared to previous generations, transforming the chassis into an ultra-compact square that occupies barely any desk space. Yet, inside this unassuming enclosure lies a powerhouse driven by the M4 chip. Every trace, every memory module, and every thermal pathway has been meticulously engineered to optimize electron flow with zero resistance. The thermal architecture utilizes an innovative bottom plate airflow design that draws air smoothly through the core and expels it seamlessly, avoiding turbulent noise. Whether idling or pushing the 10-core CPU to its absolute limits, the machine maintains an eerie, reassuring quiet. It is the audiovisual equivalent of a luxury car engine purring softly while rocketing down the highway. To truly appreciate the machinery under the hood, we must examine the raw specifications that give this Mac Mini its heavy-duty performance capabilities. M4 chip with 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU delivers blistering processing speeds, handling heavy multi-threaded tasks, rendering, and graphics-heavy operations with frictionless efficiency. 24 GB unified memory provides expansive bandwidth, allowing seamless multitasking across heavy creative suites, virtualization software, and massive datasets without bottlenecks. 512 GB high-speed SSD storage offers rapid file retrieval, instantaneous application launching, and lightning-fast boot times, mimicking a high-precision data conveyor belt. Built for Apple Intelligence integrated neural engine architectures designed to accelerate machine learning models, predictive text, image generation, and workflow automation locally. Gigabit Ethernet and advanced connectivity ensures rock-solid network pipelines, alongside modern Thunderbolt and USB Celsius ports for peripheral expansion. Seamless ecosystem integration, deep hardware and software synergy that works intuitively with your iPhone, iPad, and other Apple devices. How does this machinery translate into daily workflow execution? Think of a finely tuned piston engine operating at peak torque. When you initiate a heavy render inches Final Cut Pro or compile a million lines of code inches Xcode, the M4 processor engages with instantaneous torque. There is no lag, no hesitation, and no erratic throttling. Check the link inches the description to get yours today.